Times are wacky, everybody's inside, but this might be the best possible opportunity to get into dropshipping. What's up guys, my name is Spencer, and if you don't know me, I make a bunch of videos about e-commerce, social media, and ways of making money online. Obviously, there's been a huge problem going on, and I just wanted to make this video to give my perspective on it. Now, because I'm a dropshipper, I wanted to talk a little bit about the different problems I'm having as a result of the coronavirus, but I also want to talk about some of the opportunities and benefits that come with this virus. So anyways, let's get started on to the first thing, which is that my shipping times got delayed big time. So probably the biggest problem I had was that this virus took place right after Chinese New Year. So I was already on break for about 2 weeks because my supplier and agent were out. And then China was on lockdown for like another 2 weeks after that. So that means that my orders didn't even get shipped out for 4 weeks. And that was still before it took like another week or 2 weeks to get there. Really, that was just horrible because that got a lot of customers angry. I had to give a lot of refunds back, and basically I just had to up my customer service game. But thankfully now that's all taken care of and everything is shipping out of China like normal. It's crucial though that if you're dropshipping, you need to have a good relationship with your supplier or agent, because you need to know exactly how the shipping and fulfillment is going to go. Like if you're just ordering things off of AliExpress and you're not communicating with your supplier at all, they could very well be lying to you and not even be shipping out your orders. Now though, if your supplier or agent is not located near Wuhan or anywhere that the virus is heavily impacted, any cities, then you should be good to keep fulfilling orders as normal. A lot of people have came to me asking like, is it still possible to ship out of China, or are they even going to send out my orders? And pretty much it all depends on your supplier, the location of where they're at, and if they're actually able to do it or not. So like I said, you need to have trust with your suppliers to make sure that all your orders are going to get out on time. Now the second problem I've been having is that my Facebook relevance score has been dropping significantly. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, there's basically this score on Facebook that if you drop below a certain threshold, which is I think 2 points, then Facebook will give you a little ban where it basically makes your ads cost more and you're gonna reach fewer people. Now obviously this is bad because you're paying more for worse quality results. As a result, when I got this ban, I actually was not able to be profitable anymore on one of my stores. Now the reason it dropped was, like I said from the first point, my shipping times were super long. That's the big problem with dropshipping, is that some things are out of your control and I couldn't do anything about the shipping times, so I just kind of had to take that one and move on from it. Now my third problem that I had was that with this same store, people were firing the Facebook pixel, or basically just creating fake purchases. I don't want to show you guys how to do that because personally I think it's super unethical, and the gain that you get from it is so tiny that it's so like ridiculous to even do. Basically, to put it in a simple concept, is that you're gonna go on Facebook, find some dropshippers ads and make a fake purchase on their store in order to get more dropshipping ads to see more potential products. And as a result of this little benefit where you might have more ads appear on your feed, you're gonna ruin the entire store for the other dropshipper, and I just think that's really unethical and ridiculous to do. But apparently some dropshippers don't even have ethics at all, and a lot of people did this to me. People even made purchases for $4,000, and that just completely screwed up my data. I'll put a screenshot up here of what actually happened, but basically someone made a fake purchase on my store for $4,200 or something, and now Facebook is optimizing towards people like that, so basically other dropshippers too. Now, while this isn't really related to the virus per se, it's still something I'm actively dealing with because this pretty much ruined all of my pixel optimization, and now I have to completely restart with a fresh pixel because it's ruined. And that brings along problem number 4, is that PayPal is holding some of my money. I don't like PayPal, I never have, but I recently started using it on one of my new stores. I'm actually working with Noah Brewer on a store, and I will eventually reveal that once it starts doing better, but I started finding a good product with that store, and then PayPal started holding my money for it. Basically, I'm investing a bunch of money on testing new products through the Facebook ads, shipping out the orders for the few sales I've made. However, on those few sales I've made, I haven't gotten any of my money back, so this has actually been pretty problematic because I'm spending a lot of money and not getting anything in return. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. Those 4 things, that kind of is like the worst things that can happen to a dropshipper, and I'm kind of dealing with them all at the same time, but that's not stopping me. I'm going to keep pushing through, and I'm really trying to take advantage of this opportunity. And speaking of opportunities, I want to get into why this is actually a good thing that this virus has taken place and some of the things that you can do to take advantage of it. So because of the virus, everybody is going to be at home, which means that if everybody's at home, more people are going to be buying stuff online. More people are going to be at home and afraid to actually go out and buy stuff, so they're more likely to actually purchase if they see your ads right now. That's awesome news for dropshippers because more people purchasing means more money for us. Now the second thing is that, again, since everybody is home, you're also most likely going to be quarantined at your house, so this is the perfect time to actually go ahead and get started if you haven't in the past. You can't make the excuse that you don't have time anymore because everybody has time. Everybody's stuck indoors right now not doing anything. All they have is time. So in the past, if you thought that you didn't have time to do anything, now is the time to actually get started with this. As you guys know, I'm only 17 years old and my school actually got canceled until further notice because of what's happening right now, which means I just have more time to actually work on my stuff. I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity by creating a brand new store with a brand new product I find, and I'm actually going to document this entire process. That's right, I'm going to document the entire thing, and eventually once I've actually scaled it to a decent amount, I'm going to reveal everything I've done and put it on this YouTube channel. I think that I'll show you guys exactly what you can do using this opportunity and just basically how to run a dropshipping store, so I think this will be a great opportunity just to show you guys. I haven't actually began creating that store yet. That is something I plan on doing in the coming weeks, but I will do that, launch it, and document everything, and then I'm going to release a whole mini playlist that you guys can go and watch. Other than that, I plan to keep working on my theme pages. I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but I'm currently running a bunch of Instagram theme pages, as well as now some TikTok theme pages, so we're going to see how those go too. But yeah, overall, that's really it. I just want to show you guys some of the problems I'm having, but also some of the opportunities that come along with what's going on right now. So that's pretty much all for this video, and I will see you guys in the future ones. See ya.